I'm a calf who was born on a nice warm morn. One look in Mom's eyes, I knew Mom was wise. Mom is always by my side. She is my pride. Do you want to know how much I love her so? Mother's milk is yummy. It's good in my tummy. Mom wants me healthy instead of unhealthy. Sometimes milk won't flow. I hit the udder so it will go. I get my tummy full. Mother is my jewel. Mom is always eating to stay full for a meeting. Meeting her little boy, who is Mom's love and joy. The farmer at the farm didn't know he'd cause alarm. He separated Mom and me. Something hard to believe. I love my mother so. Just want her to know. I bawl and bawl. Could Mom hear my call? Then I hear her call from the side of the wall. Mother loves me too. We will get through. Each day Mom gives milk. I don't mean buttermilk. Mom's milk is our love. I'm Mother's beloved. Mother's milk brings joy. I'm a big growing boy. When I hear Mom's cry, now I happily reply. Thank goodness, a friend! She helps me to mend. We share Mother's milk. The milk tastes like silk. Mother's love, I know, will always show. Mom's eyes and mine are similar in design. Mother is in my heart. even when we are apart. Mom is still nearby. We don't say goodbye. Happy days are here. My mother is still near. I won't be lonely again. A blessing is friend Ben. She's a girl. I'm a boy. My heart is filled with joy. Another friend in my life. Could you become my wife? I picture Mom's face daily. I promised not to be lazy. This is my mother's story, a story of her glory.